Good morning. I just want to say really well done for the maths that you produced and that you went through to do yesterday. We're going to do something very similar today. And if you click on the link that I've sent you, we are looking at this, and it's understanding that multiples, that's multiplication and times and things like that, and division are inverse operations. Now this word here, inverse, is a lovely word. It's a lovely bit of vocabulary, but just means in reality the opposite, so it can be done the other way around. Again, the same kind of process goes along. There are some different types of different parts to this lesson. We've got an introductory quiz that you can do, but it's not necessarily important that you do it. Then you've got this part, which is the important part. So if you play the video, again, you are taken through the lesson of understanding and multiplying by the teacher. Go through it, listen to it, etc. Make sure, which I'm sure you did last time, and I think it's really helpful when I've been looking at it doing these at home, is that when they ask you to pause the video, you pause it, you go on to the next activity, which is the next slide along here in the worksheets column. And if you just drag the cursor down, you'll see that you can move along the slides and it will give you some part A, part B work to do. Okay, so have a look at that for me. Once you've done that, again, it finishes with a quiz. And if you start the quiz, you can go through the quiz, whiz through the quiz, submit your answers at the bottom, and it'll tell you how well you have done. So good luck. Let me know when you've completed it, and I look forward to hearing how well you have done.